Torx T15 for this job here.
And what we're doing, we're in New Jersey doing a delivery of the new Seba Smart Ears 2. So what these are loggers that get deployed out overnight and connect through a network. These will get deployed out overnight, and then they connect to a network that through the Poseidon app, without going out to read the data, we'll be able to see that data right through our app. So this is just the initial setup of this process. So we're just getting everything kind of ready. I just wanted to capture some of this. This is Alex with Seba. I'm Ricky with MRZ Solutions. Really excited about this new technology that's coming out. This is the smart ear here. So this will get deployed down on our water valve. Here's the antenna that'll help connect to the network. So what we're going to do is we're going to connect these to the network. So all you got to do is take the magnet from another one, or any magnet. Once you get the shining blue light, we're going to rescan. It's scanning. Smart Ears 399, which matches my here. So we're going to click that. It's connecting. Here.
Yes, you hit pair, and then it'll connect to the device, and then you'll go through the process of registering to the network, and after that it'll be good to be deployed.
Okay, so now we just click deploy. Mm-hmm. So this is the longest part of getting everything set up and ready to go. Could take upwards of 10 to 20 minutes per device, but if we do this now before we go out in the field and deploy, this is all done ahead of time. So you'll see here it's registering to the network. This can take up to 11 minutes. So we'll just let it sit here and run through its paces, and then we'll come back and do some testing to make sure it's good to go, and then I'll show you how to shut it off. All right, so you'll see right now it's connected to the network. We're currently testing the signal strength as it runs through its process. See, the test is active.
Yep.
So
currently has a good signal. Once you see that this is moving, this is basically showing that this test is completed. It is registering to the network, and this is the signal strength. So from this point, you'll move on to the next step. So you'll go down to the bottom here, and you'll push this stop button, and then it's stopped, and then you'll click the arrow to move on to the next part of the test.
Okay.
This one here is showing you the GPS location. GPS location is good. You can hit the check mark to complete this and move on to the next step. This is here telling you that there's another location, or there's another device set in this location. If you want to move it, you can just kind of tap here, and you see that little dotted circle. That's the actual location that you've moved it to. So, and this here, this other marker here, that's indicating where the actual GPS is pinpointing it. So if you want to manually move it, you could just tap that, and that dotted circle, that's where it's you're moving it to. So, and then this part, it's basically setting up your measurement profiles. This, you will typically want to leave it as the same. When you change measurement profiles and things like that, that's when you start changing the battery life of the device, because it's going to transmit more, consuming more battery. So
we'll just keep that to factory settings. We'll move on.
Yep, and this here, this is the real-time measurement. So this is actually testing the microphone. So you'll hit the play button, and that'll start the real-time measurement. So right here now, you'll see all these little things bouncing up and down. That is showing you the what it's hearing at this time. So I'm setting now, I'm going to do a frequency test. So I have it set at 450 hertz. So you can see here, there's a spike, right where it says 450, showing you that this device is reading at the correct levels. And I accidentally shared my contact card, so... But yes, you can see it here showing, so that's correct, and that's fine. So we can move on to the next step at this point.
So just hit that, and then that.
And this is the final test, where it's basically performing a transmission test, where it's testing to make sure that it can send the data. So when you deploy these at night, or when you deploy these and they transmit at night or in the early AM, this is what it's going to do. But this is just making sure that it's able to send this data to the cloud for you to read the data the next day.
That's finished.
This is all done, and you can scroll through here, and you can see that these are all the tests that it'll go through. In the event of a failure, you'll get a red X mark. The ones that typically fail in this part of the test are your data transmission tests, and then occasionally, if there's a bug in the system, you'll get an issue with the remote configuration. If something like that happens, you can always also download a log file from this device, and you can share it with one of the members of the Seba KMT staff. So.
All right, so that's done. I will show you how we shut these off now. So see, I have my blue light. Just take your magnet, put on top. Once that blue light shuts off, then it is off. We are good to go. That one's done, and then we'll just start another one. This is how easy this is. Take the magnet, put it on top. We should have a blue light. We're going to rescan. So we'll connect to that. We'll pair to it. It's going to go through its first synchronization. And then we'll go through the deploy, hit play, and then again, this is the same process that we did before. So what he's doing now is just putting the antenna extender on it. Turn it on.
You got to put the magnet on top.
Now, if this is your last one, you use this magnet to turn it on.
Once it starts blinking, I hit.
So go back
Rescan.
to check your unit number.
Rescan.
Click not there. There you go. Pair. All right. So now we want to go put it in. Don't do anything until we put it in the hole and get it all set up. All right, so that's connected.
Sticking to it.
Let him get that antenna down in there.
Antenna. Oh, I gotta press play.
Right now, you'll notice that there's really not much here. That's because we haven't set up zones for all your devices. So in order to do that, after you've deployed your units, you'll go in here, you'll click Settings, and then you'll go to Device Manager, and then you click here, this plus sign, to create a new zone. And you'll see here all these smart ears here.
They'll drop now? All those are dropped now.
Yeah, these are all the ones that were deployed.
That's Wayne here?
Yeah. So this was the Falcon, and this is with Birchwood and McDonald Drive.
Oh, that's how it used to come.
Additionally, you'll see all of these. These are the ones...
That's where you program them.
Yeah, that's where we were programming them. And in order to get rid of those, what you'll do is you'll go into Delete Sites from Site Management. Click that.
You're left-handed?
Yep. I'm like one of the few in my family. And we're just going to highlight all these, and we're going to delete them. Now, it's important to note that if you have sites that you've deployed and you don't want to, and you want to retain that data, do not delete the sites. The data will retain on these sites until you delete them. So they're basically there forever.
Even if the logger's been moved.
Yes.
Perfect.
That's
what you were after, Frank.
The only difference is you'll notice that when you move them, they'll come up gray like this. So, go back into Zone Manager. We'll create a zone. Is that Falcon Place? Okay, so Falcon Place has been created, and then we'll go here, and we'll select to assign. We'll click these, and then hit save. So polygon is simple. That's so let's see here. Find the polygon. Yep, just for now. That's what we're gonna do. So that way, now it's color.
That's your zone.
Yeah, so that's your zone, and now we've color coordinated it too. So now you can zoom out or zoom in, and you have each kind of highlighted, and it's color coordinated, so you can look at it at a glance. If you have it set up in like a whole bunch of different zones and color coordinated, you can look at it at a glance and you can see, okay, well the blue is Birchwood, red is Falcon Place, or whatever the case may be.
Mm-hmm.
It's just a way for you to look and organize things at a glance. It's tailoring it to suit your needs. So now that that's done, now we can go into here, and now we can see that these sites are up. And you want to double check. When you check on these, you want to make sure that there's a device ID attached to it.